Page 271. This is the Sonata in C minor, a little bit of it by Beethoven. It's a harmonization thing. We're going to make up our own harmony here, but they're giving us the chords. We're in the key of E flat major, 3 flats. Get the melody. We're common time or 4/4 time, coming in on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. About so. Okay. Then the chords. Let's see if we just know what they are. We have a B flat 7, B flat chord and a 7, E flat, then an A flat here with a C on the bottom. So we just went from here to here. And then the Italian thingy. They're not giving us the equivalent enharmonic chord for it. They're just telling us on an Italian sixth. So we got to go figure it out. An E flat major. What's the Italian sixth? We go to the 6th step of the scale, then go down a half step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down a half step and build a 7th chord on that. A major triad, minor. Leave out that note and you've got it. Because that's German 6th, this is Italian. That's the notes. What's with that? If you can remember that. So we went from the here to here. We have an E flat in both. This went down and that went up. Resolves to B flat major. And then we have B flat major with the D on the bottom. E flat 7, then an A flat with an A flat is here with an E on the bottom. I took this and put this on the bottom. And then a B flat 7 with a D on the bottom. It's your 5/7 chord. Those are sort of the keys. And so try it. They don't give you any chord for the pickup beat, so be quiet on that one. And then B flat 7, E flat, A flat with a C on the bottom, and then the German mess or the Italian, excuse me, we're in Italy now. Remember what that is? It's here, and then here. Again, B flat with a D on the bottom, E flat 7, then an A flat is here with an E flat on the bottom, then the 5/7. I hesitate a lot and look at this. That's sort of what they're trying to do. But just in case you're having too much fun and all that, they want you to transpose this to F major. So we're going to go from E flat up a whole step to F major. F major has 1 flat, F flat, or B flat, F flat. So in the music, all the notes go up 1 note. Instead of a B, it's a C. Instead of an F, it's a G. I'm going to play in the key of F major. So all the B's are going to be flat. Everything else is white. So this C. Instead of an A, it's a B flat. Then a B natural, then a C sharp, then a D, E, and again on these accidentals, if whatever the accidental does, however it changes the note, you change it the same when you transpose it. So in this A flat, they've got an A natural. Well, when you transpose it, you're doing an A, B, C. But you got to take the B up a half step because it's. Then the chords. Well, B7 go up 1 letter. Instead of a B, it's a C. It's a C7. Instead of an E flat, go up 1. It's an F. And then the 5/7, if you. And then they want an A flat, which would be a B flat 7. And instead of the C, it's a D. They want the D on the bottom here. And then the German thing, well, again, we're in F major, so figure it out. Well, we were here, you can take each one up a whole step, but here again, in F, what key? F major, just take it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down one and build it. And then leave out that note. That's it for F major. So we went from A flat chord with a C on the bottom to here to and B flat would be a C. Yeah. And then the second line, a B flat 7 would be a C7 with an E on the bottom. And then an E flat 7 is an F7. A flat becomes a B flat with a F on the bottom. You say so. And other than all the junk I got wrong in this, that's sort of how it works. Okay. Then you put them together and have fun with it. You put them together and have fun with it. I'm bored. But if you have any questions, as usual, ask your teacher.